Wait, the level up ko. Very good. Hey, how are you? Are you excited to go and play?
Yes.
Yes. Daddy's here today. It's his day off, so
No.
let's go and play.
Yes, but I'm going under playground.
Okay, walk straight. Ni Madam Bertud.
Anak pwede ba na?
Si kaatanong ka ang magbagkatitin.
Sige.
Hello, Madam Bertud.
Ganun ba?
Hello, Madam Bertud. Inaantok na ang Bertud namin na. Very good. Okay lang. Okay, put it where it belongs, Charot. Thank you.
Wait. I know you're excited, but let's wait for us. Line up first. Okay?
So you never get your eyes here. So I sign that, so just count that, sign that.
I'm gonna play. Alright, you can go. Yeah, you're excited. You're so excited. Alright, sweetie, go. Where do you want to go first? Ito lang niya si Dagni Katura. No, that's for little ones, I guess. Tulad ka? Yay! Makaturog eh. Tapaturog ako.
Tutulog ka.
Wee! Pilo. Ang ganda. So, itong room na to intended for kids party. Kung ayaw mo magpa-party sa bahay mo, ganun, pwede dito. Pwedeng i-rent mo tong dalawang room or kalahati lang niyang room na yan. So, I'm not sure yet kung magkano yung per room nila. Tsaka per hour, I don't know. Malalaman ko din yan pag nagpa-party na kami dyan. So, tara, libutin natin ang Uplay Indoor Playground. So, ito yung pang toddler. Hanggang 3 years old lang siya. 0 to 36 years. Ayan. Tapos, may mga table pa. Pag weekends, guys, or holiday na, winter, napakadaming tao dito. Ito naman ang kanilang washroom. Very colorful and clean naman siya, guys. So, naka-socks ka lang dito. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-shoes. Para sa mga bata din na takbo lang ng takbo na nakasocks lang din. So, kung wala kayong medyas, nagbebenta din sila ng medyas para, syempre, makapasok din kayo kung gusto nyo, di ba? So, may mga ibang rooms pa sila dito, parang 2 pa ata. Oy, 3 pa pala dyan. So, yeah, dito naman tayo sa may U-Jump trampoline. May basketball ring din sila dito na 2 para sa mga basketball lovers. Ayan, nagbibidyo-video lang ako. Pero yung anak ko nasa kabilang banger pa, diba? Hawak ko ang baby ko. Medyo niyuyuko-yuko ko lang yung phone ko dito kasi ayokong ma-video yung ibang tao kasi baka ayaw nilang ma-video sila. So, yeah. Mababa lang. May nakuha pala akong batuta. Bale, mabilis lang naman, no? So, yan. Tapos, pag pababa naman, marami pa ring table dito. Kasi talaga punuan siya pag weekends, holidays, lalo na pag may magbo-birthday pa. And, yan mga rooms pa nila dito sa side na to. Tapos, may arcade pa sila. Yan, gustong-gusto din ng anak ko dito eh. Kaso, limit lang yung inibili naming tokens niya kasi talagang uubusin niya kung marami. Pero at least, pagka naubos naman na niya, hindi na siya namimilit. So, pack na. Yan. Hindi pa siya kasi masyadong marunong maglaro. Sayang lang, di ba? So, yep. ito lang naman. May mga ano pa pala dyan, mga machine sa kabila pa. And sa mga nagugutom lagi tulad ko, may bilihan din dito, syempre, ng mga pagkain. So, snacks and meals na din. I mean, pizza, hotdog, fries. Available din ng coffee, juice. Yeah, most naman ng mga basic, tura ko. Paninda nila. So, yeah. Come and visit and let's all have fun.
Ako na. Talon ka din pa. Ito na. Jump with daddy. Noah, jump with daddy. Mati kagal gamin ti kadwana no kang obing. Baka maako
Ano?
Ang hana agal no at the background ng obing. No, are you tired? You're tired?
No.
You're strong? Okay, go jump with daddy then. Jump with daddy. Go to daddy.
Other one there, in the red.
Which trampoline are you going on?
Do that. Try again.
And there was a cat that wasn't ours. Yeah. And it was here today. It was in the garage. Yeah. It closed on it, and then we found it. And it was so cute. It was white and black.
Pika, pika, boo!
No.
Pika, 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 boo! Pika, pika, boo! Pika, pika, boo! Pika, pika, boo!
Hi,
They
here.
are sister and brother.
You don't cry, okay? Don't cry, Noah, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
His brother's taking of her sister too.
Yes. Don't lay down. Why do you need to sit in there? You have to walk. Sandot ka talaga. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Love it. Alright. Daddy.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
want to go and be wait.
No, not there. You should sleep here.
Baby, you wanna know? Baby, you wanna know?
Oh.
Ay, balik.
Boy.
Ito lang.